Yo, what is up everybody? Welcome back to One to Step YouTube channel, and we are back with another tutorial video related with gift card, and it is on how you guys can buy iTunes gift card. So let me show you guys how you guys can do that. But before that, do hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on so you guys can get notified for our future tutorial videos related with gift cards, because we are going to be releasing more of this. So let's get into today's video. So the first step is you want to go to your search engine and you want to go to Apple Store. Like this, you want to search for Apple Store. After you search for Apple Store, you want to click on Apple Store online over here. You want to click on it. After you click on it and go to Apple Store, you want to click on the search button over here. You click on the search button, you want to search for gift card. You want to enter it. After you search for gift card, basically it's going to show you gift cards over here. You want to click on the first one where it says gift cards. You want to click on it. After you click on it, you want to go on where it says, buy over here, because we want to buy Apple's gift card. After you click on buy, it's going to give you two options, whether you want this gift card to be sent on email or by mail. Now, if you pick email, it's going to give you a code on your email, which you guys can use on your iTunes. Now, if you click on mail, it's going to give you the physical version of this card to your mail, and you can pick it up from your mail and, use it on your iTunes. So you can choose whichever you want, whether you want a digital or a physical. Let's say I want digital email. Now, remember, email is faster than mail, all right? Mail might take 3 or 4 days to reach you, but in email, it's going to reach within 24 hours. So I'm going to click on email. After you click on email, it's going to ask you to choose a design. You can choose whichever design you want. Let's say I want this one over here. After I choose my design, I can even choose my amount, like a $25, $50, or $100. But I want a custom one, so I can click on other amount to customize the amount. Let's say I want like a $200 one. I can enter a custom amount. After you enter your amount, it's going to ask you where you want to send it. So I want to enter my name over here because I want to send it to me. After you enter the name, you want to enter the email to where you want to, send this to. All right. So I'm going to enter my email over here because I want it to be sent to me. And who is it sent from? It's sent from me. So I'm going to enter my email. And you can enter your email again like this as well. It's not going to, affect. Now at top, you want to enter the email to where you want to send this gift card. And at the bottom, you want to enter your email to show from whom it's being sent to. All right. If you want to add a message, you can add it over here as well. But since I do not want to add any message, I can just click on add to bag. Wait for some time. Once it's being added to your bag, you want to click on where it says checkout. You want to click on checkout. After you click on checkout, it's going to ask you to, choose whether you want to log in into your Apple ID or you want to, continue as a guest. If you have an Apple ID, you can enter your Apple ID and log in into your account. But if you do not, then you can just click on continue as guest, where you do not have to enter your Apple ID or anything else. All right. Now, once you're over here, it's going to ask for your payment detail. You can choose whether PayPal, credit, or debit. You can choose whichever you want. After choosing the one, it's going to ask you for your payment detail. After filling up your payment detail, you want to click on continue to review. And after you go to review, basically your card will be ordered. And if you selected email, then your code might arrive within 24 hours or 2 days. Or if you chose, the physical version, which is mail, then it might arrive at your mail on 4 or 5 days. So yeah, that's basically how you guys can order Apple gift card. So if you guys were able to understand this, then be sure to hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on so you guys can get notified for our future video. And if you guys have any question related with this video, you can ask us in the comment. I'll be happy to answer you guys. And I will see you guys in a bit. Until then, bye bye and have a nice day.